In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a Steam code. Now, Steam codes look something like this. It's usually about a 12-character code mixed between letters and numbers, and you can redeem them for games or other items in Steam. So the first thing, you're going to want to make sure you're actually in Steam, obviously, and you're going to head over to the Games tab on the top left, and go ahead and select Activate a Product on Steam. And then as you can see, there's some examples of codes above, and then there's a box where you can paste or type in your own code. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in the code that I showed earlier in the video. And then once the code is typed in, make sure it's right, and then just go ahead and hit confirm. Now for this video, I did use a code that's already been used, so it won't let me go ahead and use it again, but if you did it correctly, you should see a notice that says activation successful. It'll tell you the game that you activated and then more information about how to play that game. So I hope that gives you a pretty good idea on how to activate the game code inside of the Steam application, but there's still one other way to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that now. So the second option you have is actually doing it from the Steam website itself. So go ahead and just go to store.steampower.com/account/register-key. Keep in mind this link can also be found in the description if you just want to go ahead and click it. So once you're at this page, you're going to see another box where you can put the product key just like you saw in the application version. And so you're going to do pretty much the same thing where you just copy and paste or type it in directly into the box. And then you'll also want to make sure you're checking off the I agree box, and then you can hit continue. After you hit continue, it'll do pretty much the same thing that happened over on the application version. And as long as you're logged into your own account, you're pretty much good to go. And that is all I have for today's tutorial. I hope that gives you a pretty good idea on how to redeem codes on Steam, and I hope you have a great day.